Hello, myself Basu Pandey. I come from LOESCHE, India, and here we have a stall, and the product portfolio is basically related to the net carbon zero target. We have our green key solutions, and as a part of our green key solutions, we have products like sea clay, clay calcination, selective concrete recycling, hydrogen burning, and other products like ultrafine grinding, as well as CCUS guard. So I would like to thank CII for organizing such a wonderful event where the technology supplier like LOESCHE got the opportunity to showcase our capabilities, particularly keeping in mind that the product should be sustainable and it has to be contributed in terms of decarbonization. And thank you so much for giving us the opportunity, and we look forward to have more such conferences in the future.
Was the response,
Customer response is okay. I was expecting a little bit better last time as compared to the last time. This time is much better. Yeah.